Children, how are you? I think you all are very fine. Welcome to 7th class. Okay, I think you are very happy to come to new classes and you are waiting for new lessons, right? Okay. Today our lesson is subject is English and we are going to start Unit 1. Okay? Listen carefully. Unit 1 classifies into three sections. You know already in 6th class. Section A, Section B and Section C. These three sections are reading sections. Three sections are reading sections. Section A, the town mouse and the country mouse. Section B, poems, the town child and the country child. And section C, the new blue dress. Now we are going to know section A, the country mouse and the town mouse. Okay, I am asking you a question. Very difficult question for this. Okay, think carefully and say any answer. Ready? The question is, what is your favorite place? Village or city? Okay. We live in cities. We like cities. Yes? And some people live in villages. They like only villages. Okay. If which people are living in city, those people go to villages first time. And which people are living in villages, those people they go to cities, they will have very different experiences. Am I right? Okay, present we are living in city. If we go to village, we feel different experiences. Yes? Here our lesson for section A also, in section A also, town mouse and village, country mouse. Country means village. Country means not India, not Pakistan, not Bangladesh, like that. Here country means village. Okay, town mouse and the country mouse. Okay, here are two mice, town mouse and country mouse. These both were cousins. One mouse lived in town and one mouse lived in country. That means village. Okay, they often write letters to each other. So one fine day, country mouse got a letter from town mouse. Who got letter from whom? Good. Country mouse got a letter from town mouse. Okay, let us see what the town mouse wrote in the letter. Okay, town mouse is asking permission to come to go to village. Dear cousin, I have been suffering from cough for 4 days. That's why my family doctor suggested take rest and go to countryside and spend a peaceful life. Doctor suggested. That's why I want to come to your village. Okay, so I will wait for your reply. Like that, town mouse wrote letter to country mouse. Okay, after getting letter from town mouse, immediately country mouse also replied. What the country mouse replied? Oh brother, welcome. I don't have any problem. Come here and stay here happily. So the country mouse invited. That's why one fine day, town mouse started to country over train. Okay, in train, town comfortable. So town mouse felt, but if there is AC, air conditioner coach, I feel very better. But it can't move to AC coach, and he started grumbling himself. Grumbling means thinking this is a very uncomfortable place. Why I started to village? That's it, like that. It grumbled itself, and a train reached village. And in the station, Country Mouse is waiting for his cousin. Who is cousin here? Who came from town? Yeah, Country Mouse cousin, Town Mouse. Okay, so after coming to station, after departing in the station, immediately Town Mouse is asking, do you have any cool water? Do you have any water? Not water. Do you have any cool water? Okay, so Country Mouse said, okay, I have water. I have water. I'll give you. But Town Mouse, what water? Only water. No, I want juice, orange juice or lemonade. I don't drink only water. Town Mouse said. But Country Mouse offered only water. But Town Mouse didn't like that. Okay, and next Country Mouse offered food to eat. What is that food? Means root and sugar cane. Okay, Country Mouse offered to Town Mouse roots and sugar cane stem. So this food also Town Mouse didn't like. Oh, what is this food? Only root and sugar cane. I don't like raw food. I eat only cooked food. It said. But the Country Mouse, we have only this food. We eat only this food. So please adjust. Country Mouse said. Okay, just Town Mouse nibbled the food, but not ate completely. Just nibbled, just touched it, just tasted the food. Okay, and Town Mouse wanted to take a rest. That's why Country Mouse showed floor, ground in a room. In the Country Mouse room, one corner showed to Town Mouse. And again, Town Mouse, what is this? Don't you have any bed? I don't sleep on the floor. It said like that. But we don't have any beds. We sleep only on the ground. It replied. Okay. And then what? Where are sounds? Here are no sounds at all. There are cars and buses. Asked Town Mouse. Country Mouse said, here are no sounds. Here are no sounds. Our grandfather said number of times, our village is the pleasantest village. Okay, that's why we don't have any cars sounds and buses sounds. It said. Okay, next day. The next day, Town Mouse waited for food from the kitchen. But Country Mouse didn't prepare any food. Didn't prepare any food in the kitchen. And what Country Mouse is going to give as food means, let's go. Here are very near, we have fields. If we go to those fields, freshly we can eat roots and sugar cane. It offered. So, we listened already. Town Mouse didn't like root and sugar cane. That's why Town Mouse wanted to leave the country and said to his cousin, "Oh, cousin, something I forgot in the town. That's why I have to catch next train." So, bye, he said, and went off to the town. Okay, after some days, country mouse. Again, country mouse wrote a letter to the town mouse. First, in the beginning of the lesson, country mouse got the lesson, got the letter. But here, second time, town mouse is going to get letter because country mouse is feeling hurry, feeling worry about cousin's health. That's why cousin writing letter to the town mouse. Country mouse is writing, "I want to come to your house because I'm feeling worried about your health." That's why, okay, after getting a letter, town mouse gave telegram. Telegram means very fast communication. That's why, okay, country mouse got telegram and started to the town. Started to the town. Okay, in that town, what is the experience of country mouse? We can see in the next class. Okay, thank you.